One of the very first jobs I did was remove the wood ceilings from the middle level of the house. I probably shouldn't have been doing this on my own, especially just days after recovering from COVID. But I couldn't wait to see what was under the crawl space. If you're going to renovate a stone house, you better learn to love Baza. This is the 12th skip that we built, and there's probably at least another one. While I was on Kea, I found this antique thrown away at the port. So besides baking cookies, I refinished it. And then back to the mainland and a quick trip to the marble cutters to see if I could find a top that would suit it. I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out, especially when I saw one online for £1,300. It looks a lot like it.